Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Empress Bee in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Bizzy Bee event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to go to this shop, the honey shop, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the Hive Egg. This one. It's rare, so if you want to buy it, you need to wait a little longer guys. And you can click on this menu to see the possible pet from this egg. And as you can see, one of the possible pets is this Empress Bee. So if you want to get the Empress Bee, buy this egg and hatch it. And if you're lucky, you will get this Empress Bee. But you only have 0.5% chance guys, so it's pretty rare. But yeah, I think it's worth to buy this Hive Egg. If I'm not mistaken, it cost 2.5k honey coins. Thank you guys, and that's how we can unlock the Empress Bee in Grow Garden game of Roblox. New BZB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!